So what are you pursuing?
I'm pursuing computer science in second year at COEP Technological University.
Okay. So how did you get admission in COEP?
I got admission through All India quota, that is through JEE. I scored 99 percentile in JEE mains.
Okay, so that's quite high. So what did you do to score it?
I even referred a couple of YouTube videos and did self-study ranging from 6 hours to 12 hours in a day. It depended upon the dates, and then I practiced mock tests from various websites, and then I practiced previous year papers and previous year questions.
Okay. So how did you keep yourself away from the distractions like social media, friends, everything?
Well, I limited myself. I did not cut it off completely. I used to meet my friends, go out twice a month, not more than that. I think we all need that for social battery. And about like social media, like Instagram, I did have Instagram, Snapchat. I did have WhatsApp because we needed that for notes and solving doubts.
By far, how was your experience in COEP? Like you have spent 1 year, 1.5 year. So by far, how it was?
So, well, college life is a roller coaster, ups and downs. So directly coming as a school topper of my school, I came here and I had another 10 school toppers with me. So thoda sa to like there was a lot of peer pressure, but along with that, it was like college में आके सिर्फ पढ़ना नहीं है. 11th 12th में बहुत ज़्यादा पढ़ाई कर ली थी. तो फिर यहाँ पे आके I had joined a couple of clubs as well. So one of them was cultural club, which had street play, mad ads, and then I was in robotics club, and we have a Pune Startup Fest at CUEP. I was a part of it. So I did a couple of clubs in first year. In second year as well, I am in a couple of technical clubs like software development section, and I continued with BSF WebTech. And besides clubs, there are a lot of other activities that we have here. We have a lot of fests in COEP. I think COEP is known for its fests. So that was fun. I've met a lot of people from different parts of Maharashtra and really nice people, I'll say. So it was a nice journey.
Okay. How did this club help you? What did they add in your life or in your personality?
Fest clubs. Fest's a part where you can connect with your seniors. So that was an advantage of that. And then about the technical clubs, I learned, I am still in the club, still learning a lot from the seniors. One thing here is the seniors are really nice. They can help you. You can approach them freely. So I think connections and improving your tech skills is one thing, and also improving your conversation skills.
Okay. What is the importance of getting the good college?
I think the peer group, that matters the most. Because teachers, I think, same hi hai har jagah. Peer group is what matters.
Okay. So as you said, teachers are same everywhere. So आपकी faculties कैसी है? How qualified they are, or how do they teach you? Lenient है, strict है, कैसे faculties?
Depend करता है faculty to faculty. As such, I cannot generalize. There are a few faculties जो बहुत strict है, कुछ है जो बहुत chill भी है. Few teachers जो learning पे focused है, like उनको attendance वगैरह से फर्क नहीं पड़ता. It depends कि अगर तुमको सच में पढ़ना है, मजा आ रहा है, only then they care about.
ओके. सीएस के लिए नीडेड इंफ्रा क्या होता है और आपका कॉलेज क्या प्रोवाइड करता है? लैब्स वगैरह कैसे आपका कॉलेज?
वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ लैब्स. कॉग्निजेंट लैब, फॉस लैब करके बहुत सारे लैब्स हैं हमारे पास. So that is mainly needed for computer science, and besides that in first year we have a couple of common subjects जैसे physics, chemistry रहते हैं, तो उसके भी labs हैं हमारे पास.
Okay. Crowd कैसा आपके कॉलेज का? Like how difficult it was for you to make friends? That is, you were new in this college.
Well, crowd, I think mixed है. We have all types of people. We have people from other countries as well. And we have people from Maharashtra, a few people from out of Maharashtra. And people here are friendly. It also depends on how you are और तुम कैसे दोस्त बनाते हो. तो peer group तो अच्छा है. I have nice roommates.
Okay. You said roommate, so you must be staying in hostel, right?
Yeah.
So college hostel में रहते हैं या private?
College.
ओके. सो इसका फीस कितना होता है? एक रूम में कितनी लड़कियां हैं और क्या क्या चैलेंजेस आप फेस करते हो?
In first year we have 4 people in one room, and सारे years का fees the same, that is 45,000. And first year में we have 4 people in one room, and you have common washroom, you have bunk beds for the girls and boys as well. For boys the same pattern continues for second, third and final year, whereas for girls हमारे बाद में next year में like second year onwards 2 room रहते हैं attached by a washroom. So it's like 3 people in one room, so 6 people share one washroom and bathroom.
Why is that like?
Nice question to ask to the hostel facility.
Is it different for boys and different for girls, right?
Water supply 24/7, we don't.
Okay. You must be wasting a lot of water. Okay. Food वगैरह कैसा है then hostel का?
How
do you know so much about boys hostel and boys mess?
No, we girls are allowed to go there on Sundays at least.
Okay.
Boys mess में chicken मिलता है. girls mess में-
So boys can't come in your hostel, but you can go there. Okay. So where's the equality?
Good question.
ओके COEP से CS कंप्लीट करने के बाद आप कितना प्लेसमेंट एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो?
Placement percentages are high. I think it's more than 83% or something. Packages, like average salary is 17.5 as of last year, and highest package was 51.5 LPA. So good enough, decent.
Okay, so as you said, you were school topper, then you topped in CET also, JEE also. So एक होता है कि कुछ accomplish करने के बाद बच्चे distract हो जाते हैं.
हाँ, ये I think distract is not the exact word which happened with me. मतलब my pointer is decent. But I know a couple of friends who scored more than me in JEE, like 99.3 or more than that. And अभी उनको थोड़े backs लग रहे हैं exam.
Like directly topper से back.
Yeah, so it's like बहुत exhaust हो जाता है. It's understandable. So I think one thing everyone should keep in mind is कि तुमने 11th 12th में पढ़ाई की so that you get into a good college and फिर secure future. तो फिर college में आने के बाद में give up मत करो.
ओके सो अपनी स्किल एनहांस करने के लिए अदर देन कॉलेज आप कुछ पढ़ते हो, कोई कोर्सेस है?
I think vacations is a time where you can actually utilize to learn other skills. तो फिर तब YouTube तो अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म है, Udemy वगैरह है. You have other websites like W3 Schools and all, वहाँ से तुम सीख सकते हो.